Okay, folks, let's get right into it. French toast, cinnamon, butter, eggs. I usually use 1 egg per 4 slices of toast, rule of thumb. That's going to be the bacon pan. There's turkey bacon from Oscar Mayer. Whole wheat bread, you can use white bread of course. Let's go. Let's open up our bacon. This is the bacon bonus. It's really a French toast video, but I figure I'll make myself a good breakfast. Usually fit 4 or 5 on there. Turkey bacon doesn't curl up, so it's a lot easier to cook than regular bacon, even though regular bacon tastes better. Let's get this egg going. Sugar. Some cinnamon. That's what gives it the flavor after all. Plenty of cinnamon. Gotta beat that real good. Look at that. Going nuts with the cinnamon. Can't control myself sometimes, but it's good. A little splash of milk. You want to make sure you get the egg flavor on there. You don't want to milk it down too much. Give that a good beating. Alright, hope you enjoy my background music. We got a nice hot pan here. Throw a little butter on there, grease it up. Gotta cover the whole pan. Perfect for 4 pieces of bread, 4 slices of bread. Let that get nice and hot. Put the extra butter back. We're saving money here, folks. Don't want to waste anything. Here we go. This is what I call non-soggy French toast. That happens to be the way I like it. Dip and remove. Dip and remove the excess. I don't like soggy French toast. A little speed for you there. Bang out the rest of the 3. Let it sizzle good. Adjust your flame. You don't want it to cook too fast, and you don't want to burn it. Got the bacon going. I'm multitasking. Bacon looking good. And then we just give it a flip. I don't know if you guys are up to that skill level yet, flipping 2 pieces of bacon at the same time. I'm sure you can work your way up to it. Once it gets a little brown there, it's good. Cook the other side for a little bit. Then, if there's room, speed up the process, put some more bacon in there. Alright, let's check this French toast, see what it looks like. That's the color you're looking for. Perfection, look at that. Let these cook on the other side. Always make sure your pan is centered on the flame. You want everything to cook evenly. Alright, give that a few minutes. And this is the other side. The bacon should be good. There you go. French toast looks like it's done. I'm holding the camera phone with one hand and working the spatula with the other. In case you wonder why it looks the way it does. There you go. Multitasking once again. Hope you enjoyed it.